right, welcome to pretty good level multi-view drawing number 2. For this project, you do need to make sure that you have 4 rectangular prisms as well as a triangular prism. And after you've done that, you should go over to our website, riblady.com, and click into the blog section. Once at the blog section, you should look for Understanding Multi-View Drawings, pretty good level, and click into that blog post. Once you are in there, you can scroll down. We are looking at pretty good level multi-view drawing number 2. I would recommend printing this thing out. You can do that by saving the image as, downloading it to your computer, and then printing it out on your home computer. Please do keep in mind that this was drawn at 1/2 scale. So how do you go about solving this problem? You go ahead and build your multi-view drawing first. Always start with the front view of a multi-view drawing. Then after you've built that, you should project up, begin looking at your multi-view from a top view, make any adjustments or changes that are necessary. Then finally, you should look at your object from the right-hand side view and again, make any changes or adjustments that you may see. If you struggle with this assignment, don't feel bad. It is at the pretty good level, and if you need help solving this problem, you can check out the video that's showing up on the right-hand side of the screen. We hope you've enjoyed this content. If you have, please hit the like and subscribe button and check out our website. We're at riblady.com.